Hi, welcome back. This is Hina Baig and I'm a solution therapist. Here we are talking about stress. Yesterday I spoke about the first letter S, sit, sift, and sip. I hope you all must have practiced at least minimum once. So if not, then try to do it today. Even if you're not stressed out, just recall a memory and try to do this. Because unless until you practice, you will not be able to be prepared in future if at all you have this stressful situation. So now moving ahead to T, try to breathe. So the first letter said S, sit down, sift, sip. Now it is try to breathe. Whenever you're stressed out, just check upon the breathing part, how you are breathing. Are you breathing the right way? Then is triggers. You need to note down the stressors in your life. You need to note down the triggers in your life. What actually trigger you into this stressful situation? Probably you will be able to identify some of the triggers. So note it down and be aware about it. Third is tough decisions. You got to make tough decisions for yourself, in the sense at times there could be something which you like, but yet it gives you stress. For example, it is a possibility that you like to have a conversation with somebody, but eventually you end up getting stressed. So the best thing then is you've got to make the decision that you will not engage in a conversation that is going to make you stressed out with that particular person. Before this, since you have identified the triggers, so you will know that in a conversation, if those triggers are present, right? So now you are aware about it. Whenever the conversation is happening, you will not engage in towards that. You have to cut the conversation, you have to divert the conversation or end the conversation with some excuse or something, but you've got to be smart. This is the T part, that is try to breathe, find out the triggers, and make tough decisions for yourself. This you have to practice. Don't understand only because it is easy to understand, relate to, yes, you have all this under control. That is not needed. This is an effort for you wherein you will be trying it out practically every day, building it up every day. So this week, like today is Monday, yesterday the S, today is T. So both together now you have 6 points, and you have to practice it no matter what. All the best to you, and take care. See you tomorrow. Bye. Be safe.